Guys, with some insane information in today's video that you're not going to want to miss, we've got a lot to be discussing. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of the top cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I go over your portfolio and a lot of other services. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50 or $100 to invest, it's never too little. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. With the #1 profiting community on Patreon, you're gonna want to get in fast before the price goes up and before all spots fill up, because I have to cut it off at a certain point or else we're gonna muddy the waters. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung. It really does help with the growth of the channel. And guys, what are you currently holding and what do you want to hold more of? Let me know in the comments down below and why. Guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you also want a chance at more free money, if you use my I Trust Capital link in the top pinned comment and fund any account, you get $100 worth of Bitcoin for free. Guys, with an overall crypto recovery happening right now, and Dogecoin, Shiba Inu also following up along with the top ones, we've got a lot to be discussing and a lot of very important information to be revealed. Guys, after a 2-month bearish period on the charts, we had to bounce back, and sure enough, that's what's happening right now before our eyes. Guys, with the retailer investor sentiment picking up, and they're literally the #1 purchaser of cryptos right now, that is a very good sign, because they move the market even more than the whales do overall, especially in the bullish time periods. We're finally moving into the greed on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which just tells you that the more greed that people have out there, the inexperienced small retailer investors buying up more than ever, guys, that means that the price is going to go up. So you want to be sure to get in when the dip is steep enough for me to call it out, so that you can be positioned very well during these perfect time periods to rake in the most profits. Also, with altcoin season coming up, we're ready to see the altcoins outperform Ethereum and Bitcoin. And guys, they're going to do some crazy things, but not before Bitcoin and Ethereum do. Guys, once Ethereum goes back to 5K, Bitcoin back to 60K plus, that's when we're going to start to see the top altcoins 2, 3, and 4x within a very short period of time. And I believe this will happen within 30 to 60 days, max. However, could literally happen any second now. Guys, a massive news article came out titled, "Bitcoin price flatlines as XRP hits $1 with massive altcoin move set for 2022. Encouraging signs are appearing across altcoin chart," Pope says, while Bitcoin offers no surprises with come down 10-day highs. Guys, the article talks about how some of the top crypto investors out there are only adding to their portfolios right now, while the dip is still low enough to do so. And because right now we're in the midst of a Santa rally, which is right around the Christmas season, and technically it being literally the Monday after Christmas, you're going to want to get in fast before this rally begins. With so many people working in financial institutions, having been off, spending so much time with their family during Christmas, and then coming back on Monday, having to reallocate their funds and putting it into different cryptos, that's why and when we will see that huge Santa rally. I'm literally predicting this week, right before the new year, to be some of the biggest gains we've seen in all of 2021. Guys, with XRP being very noteworthy right now because of its cup and handle formation that it just broke out of, I believe we are only headed up from here. With a quick $1.50 on the charts here, just within the next week, I do see that you're going to want to get in before that does happen. And guys, as we take a look at the Ethereum charts, we can see a clear and consistent uptrend. Just after this huge down right here, where we hit down 3 times, 1, 2, and 3, a triple bottom is incredibly bullish, and we had to head up from there. And that's why we went up, coming down just again, because we always have an ascending triangle just after a bullish flag and pennant, which only causes us to go up that much harder, that much stronger. We went up again, of course, and then we're having an even bigger ascending triangle, guys, bigger than we've seen in a long time. Therefore, the bounce will be that much stronger thereafter. And guys, this is the Santa rally that I'm talking about that you're not going to want to miss out on, and you're going to want to buy the dip just before the Santa rally begins. So you want to be ready for that when I call it out. Be sure to have some cash on the side to buy the dips when I call it out, and be ready to sell when we reach our cycle top. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signal. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.